I want to say that I'm proud to be associated with our church, Maradi SDA Church. So, as part of my social corporate responsibility, as a son raised in Nyamira, and one of career civil servant who happens to come from Nyamira, Nachaga was Sirei Kanisa ya Nyasaye. Abu mbobe nakora bantu bamindo. Yendo kene ngoteba Nyamira ne yeito bantu nawe murungani na wayaga watu wakajitege ntoli watamakuru wororo. We are going to face them as per what they do and as per how they deliver their pledges watu ete miakeli. Yendo ngotebe regoneke. Into kisheria kama wafanyikazi wa serikali haturuhusiwi kuongea siasa. But the constitution gives us a right to critique what we feel is not proper within our administrative and management of our county. So we are not criticizing people, but we are expressing our displeasure of what is happening in our county. And that is our right enshrined in our constitution. You want to tell them no more to Dokuruan. In Genoma Kenya, you will Nyamira, Nimbuate right Yoga Tevana King, India again, let us say to Nyamira. Was in Bobby? One of what I make a Gusiga. You man of Midongo Kwana Yasana. Nora, I love you and I appreciate what you are doing. But I want you to go as my friend, as a one of our young leader from here. You have a future. Sindio? Wewe aininche na wantu baita wabake neka kolie kemo. I want to request Ucho in the team come on. This is the team which is going to win in Nyamira in 2027. And you can take it to the bank. God winning, we are going to prevail. These other things are side shows. The reason why I'm saying this, Ogo Ikali, Nkwaneli Governor, Itono Mosani One, is my friend. Even the deputy is my friend. But even Awaira Maiga, lakini chipelechi chiriba etawa Nyamira, tigawachi kolere. Ndudu watu even Awarabu, this is their time, let them do their part. And again, they talk on you. Legally, a school, the water organized the school. The school ya Chirense. Jeredo kora buki meeting to Chikoroa. Umora, you told it 100. But they are buki meeting, Aram, when she go to Korukisi, Tereda Mana, Masomo, Arosia school. That's the best thing you can do for us. As a Vanyamir, want to retake a candy changa. I've got him. Edo Yakavere, Amachi, Wishmiwa, Amachi Naratin in Nehru, the county, Naratin in Nehru, the Sarkadia. Amachaya, Teotobua Terane, Mubu, Rinyoreke Gosinya, you are ready to fund, you are ready to support it. Lakini ndo gojo tojo na ndo tayo tuwasero wasalivi ndo biawa. Go ne chikora to take to take mana chikora. Chikora chike kagato chikwana. And we will do it without any fear and contradiction. It's all my own. Pondo ndo to wete Nyamira ngakie. Kare chikora chira ikento kuana siasa. But there is a clear indication that our people want change and want development and services which they can feel to be part and parcel of what they have been paying in terms of taxes. Igo na chaga awanto wa minto ese kanisa. Lakini dedo kuane binto ibere ntararo mochango ne kamo yoke ketangani. Awara ibalitu achore de wano te wankuane ke gusim. Ndoba ete chukumu tiwaba kolega asiabo. Waikirani chira chiriba ruete esa wanto baito na enda waika wanto baito ange egere obugima bwabo bubobere raisi. Indo kende ngoteba abarandi baito egero muri sinagogi chito mokorandi chikanisa ndegete mobe bold modene ne mobori naki ngegeta libuya Nyamira ogokira. It means you are condoning evintevia vitalievia. In the books of Kings, ngori otometo ajo de king ya ngambosole ayo to ko ambara wa Israel bia ngintule to ta ko raigo pasa ndo yoga ta no de komuni aru mi era enda limia mote vi komuni mi to limia eno re ke bisha manto vai tomba te ta mache mpate ke te ka bakore na e county ya our senate njai to tichibesa jiche se county to Nyamira naro jo Ethereum sa financial de engaging stakeholders in Nyamira public participation in the constitution our MC waito tibesa chirichi gocha akikisha mwakwaneranire amalio gatoke kinyagitali oboso kubolio bonene to bwate to gushike to ni to ya Nyamira ali mugaso tigatorori chitaya chiwo kororo abutali obetorakore igere kya bantu waito baganete yendo kyo moero njengo tebaiga njeno mo omuigo cha musamaro abange na wake moni batatu oyo mona arwe to musamara njoro oyo de na arwe to gucha makairo nsani oyo de na arwe to njacho choko oturungi igo tindi moganiga enga kiri kera ike tobe ko bonyomba kando abange na boro ti kumoni era ite kono ku noroje ba ya samara na ko musana rikina wantaba ya akiro je kare ba arende ta bange na bonsi piga mo kuire ne ko ko mondino nekiko moni awa te bana ki enga kiye goika enga kiye toiro mwana moko gojikorwane sege nyamene na basacha bande ndo baza ko iro monto o romo litake ukona koboli na kimi. I want to say one thing. Nande kere kia sana. I'm very proud to be associated na governor yetu ya Kisii. Na vako imuko korukisi nechika ni miamocho chenyamire coach otene noro. Ntudu ikaransi igorari tutaro chino ngo chansa usento ikoro. Wa babu. Ntu ano gutacha otoro no Nekyo monta wo chobu chogo. Ukubanga. Tiga tutu wali viongozi wawika abantu baitanga bade tokora abantu baitamaya egere tolenta magendre sabali na wono e taxi ya verigora abantu baitomba taita banyore njere tokubakonya eze tokunyara tiga tobasire tingo kuana mange wono taita botebaiga lero ntaita kurumo changone igitorukiana nje tingi je tigana ne donation wala fanyikazi ba serikali ndoli esa daka ya nente tokoruga ne yaba